What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. This time we're doing an unboxing. This is another budget type of situation right here going on, and this ain't for me, so we're gonna switch out my daughter's stuff. So y'all want to see the rest of the, well, I'm not gonna go through all these boxes because it's pretty much the same thing, but if y'all want to see more about it, y'all be sure to go to her channel, Car Audio with Kerry, if you want to check out more on it. So as y'all can see, we got these Alphasonic subwoofers. Like I said, this is a budget deal right here. Y'all know we like to do some budget stuff over here. We're gonna do something a little more expensive later on. Well, as far on my end for sure. So we're gonna talk about this budget deal. But this wasn't sponsored. We bought this or whatnot. But anyway, this time we got she needed a distribution, so I was gonna go with something different, but we said we're gonna keep it budget. This Orion distribution block right here. It's got the 0, 4, and 8 gauge on it or whatnot. You got 2 of those. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna go ahead and get right on into it. I ain't gonna drag it out because she gotta do what she gotta do. So as y'all see right here, it's an Alphasonic. It's a 900 watt subwoofer right here. See? Go ahead and get one open. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick video on my behalf. Like I said, because I don't want to overdo it. I'm gonna let y'all go over there and see whatever else going on. Alright, so I got it packaged up. Come with a manual. And let me see. This is a dual 4-ohm type deal here going on. Y'all can see it's got the dual. It's like a little small motor on the back. It ain't that much. Like I said, we're gonna keep it budget on this one, so y'all might like that. Well, what I don't like is the basket. It looks like it's already bent. I don't know what's going on. I'm sure this is mass produced somewhere, like everything else is, but that we'll make it work. It's bent on the frame right there. It's got dual voice cord right here, dual 4-ohm. Y'all can see right there. So y'all let me know what y'all think about this budget ordeal here. And like I said, y'all want to see the rest of this or whatnot on her channel or whatnot. I ain't gonna go too far, but be sure to go to Car Audio with Kerry if you want to check these out and see what's going on. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one. Okay. All right, guys. Just a quick comparison on these two subs. This is the Sundown LCS. This is the entry level. As you can see right back, the back of the on the motor right there, and you can see the Alphasonic. I don't know if this is the entry level, but it's the budget one, most budget we can find to do this budget deal. So y'all can see right here is this sub right here is a little more I guess built up a little bit more as far as the frame goes. The motor, I don't know if it's like a 1 stack or 2. You know, it's like the little thin ones like this, I believe. Probably 2 under there. And it's a little bit bigger on this sub right here. So of course you see the terminals right here made a lot different. But like I said, this is probably the most budget one they sell, and this is the most budget one Sundown sell. So of course y'all know we're trying to do this on a budget, so everything y'all see done and these videos be at a budget. Now, like I say, I could do this real expensive but this is a budget series type deal. So we're gonna try to keep it that way, using used everything. If we already got it, we just gonna use it anyway. You know, because we gonna, this for like the DIY guy who ain't trying to spend a whole lot of money and stuff like that. So that's what this is about. You know, of course we could go buy some high dollar screws and all that extra stuff and accessories and do it extremely to the T, the right way. But I ain't trying to do that with this situation right here. Like I said, it's the driveway guy, DIY guy, whoever at home just want to get a job done, want to get some sound going, don't want to spend a whole lot of money. And that's that. But if y'all want to see something real expensive, not real expensive, but kind of expensive, we got that coming up too. But that ain't in this one. So y'all be sure to subscribe to this channel. Of course, y'all know, go to BLUETTI if you want to see how these play. And she got a lot of videos with that playing. And of course, y'all see, I got 24 of these in mine. And we changed it out. We got to do another budget build in her little Dodge Caliber. So yeah, so she should probably have a video up about this too. It ain't gonna be the same exact video, but she'll be talking about it. Whatever she got going on, y'all know how she do it. I'm gonna tag her video and stuff like that down below. I'm gonna tag her in this video, and we're gonna see y'all back on the next one.